Hello, my name is Martial from the Sofitel, and today for you I will make a tuna tartare. I'm going to use tuna tartare. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon confit, chopped chive, means I'm going to put a bit of sea salt, some black pepper, piquillo vinaigrette, I'm going to mix. And I'm using a messenger, and I'm going to put the tuna tartare inside. We have diced avocado, some little bit of cracked black pepper, sea salt. Again, so I'm going to use diced lemon confit and chopped chive. Little bit of lemon vinaigrette, and I'm going to mix together. And I will put in the container. Make sure you put everywhere. And I'm going to garnish with little bit of macro salad. Okay? And to garnish, I'm going to use a little bit of they are mini bagels. They are sliced very fine and roasted in the oven until they are crispy. I'm going to put 4 or 5. And also garnish with little bit of beautiful macro salad. I'm going to close it, and we have a tuna tartare with piquillo vinaigrette, avocado, lemon vinaigrette, and crispy mini bagels. Thank you.